Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at the place to be this week. We are at Target and Target is on fire. So funny story, you guys. I had a Target employee walk up to me. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon when I am shopping. And she comes up to me and she says, "You don't have to answer this if it's offensive to you, but what do you do for a living?" And I'm like, she's like, "I'm just curious about, people who can shop during the middle of the day, like what you do for a living." And I'm like, I actually do what I'm doing now. I shop for a living and I post videos about shopping and deals." And she's like, "That's it?" And I'm like, "Yep, that's it." So I thought that was pretty funny because she was puzzled. She's like, "So you just make video?" And I'm like, "Yep, that's what I do for a living." So that is what we are doing today. And what that also made me think about is my gratitude to you guys for that, because without you being here and watching these videos, I would not be able to do what I do for a living and actually operate in my gifts. So thank you so much, you guys, for being here. I truly mean that from the bottom of my heart. But y'all know how I do. I don't want to waste too much time. Let's get into these deals. So you guys know, anytime we have this spend 50, get 15 household deal, I am coming to Target. This is my favorite deal that Target does, hands down, because it just makes getting stocked up on household items and laundry detergent and paper products, anything that you may need, so affordable. And we're using all digital coupons, so it's so easy, anyone can do it. So we're gonna get started by picking up one of my favorite products. We're gonna grab some of the Lysol air sanitizer. So I'm gonna be picking up 2 of these Lysol air sanitizers because I love this product so much. And we have a limit of 5 on Ibotta for this. And I don't want to just pick up one, but I'm going to show you a scenario where you can just pick up one that works out pretty good as well. But I'm going to be picking up 2 today. We have a $3 Target Circle offer, and then we also have $3 back that you can submit for on ShopMium. As a filler item in this deal, I'm going to be grabbing one of these Airwick Advanced Warmers for $5.99. Now, if your store carries the one that is $3.69, the double pack, you want to grab that one because it will be a freebie with the $4 that we have back on ShopMium. My store does not carry that one, so I'm going to have to grab this one for $5.99, and we'll submit back to ShopMium for the $4, making this $1.99. And then I also want to get stocked up on some laundry detergent, because laundry detergent is real important to me right now. We have to take all these laundry deals that we can get. So I'm going to be picking up, they just had these, I feel like, lined up exactly the way that I need them. But I'm going to be getting one of the big laundry detergents, the 106 loads, for $12.19. And then I'm going to get 2 of these for $9.59. I'm going to give you a scenario in just a second if you want to get 3 of the bigger ones, because it works out to just about the same, but you need to get less of the Lysol. But I'm going to pick it up this way, and we are going to be right at $51.94. So for the Arm & Hammer, I don't have any manufacturer coupons that I'm going to be using, but I do have 2 different rebates I'm going to be submitting back for. So on Ibotta, we have a $4 rebate for the Arm & Hammer, the bigger Arm & Hammer, and then we have a $3 rebate for the 100-ounce Arm & Hammer. So for these 3 bottles, we're going to get back $10 total. If you were to pick up 3 of the big ones, you can get back $12. And then you also want to check Fetch Rewards, because I have a rebate for $1.90 back for every $13 that I spend. We are going to hit that twice, so we'll get back $3.80 from Fetch for picking up these 3 as well. So these 6 items is my complete household deal. We have the Airwick, we have the 2 Lysol air sanitizers, and then we have the 3 Arm & Hammer detergents. That totals up to $51.94. I'm only going to be using 1 digital coupon for one of the Lysol. So at the register, I'm going to pay out $48.94. Definitely roll your gift cards. I have $35 in gift cards that I'm going to be rolling into this deal to lower my out of pocket. So roll any gift cards that you may have from your rebate apps or previous Target deals. But I'm going to get back $15 after I spend out that $48.94 in another gift card. We're going to get back $7 from Shopmium for the Lysol and the Airwick. You'll get back $16 from Ibotta for the Arm & Hammer and the Lysol, and then $3.80 from Fetch Rewards. That makes your final cost for all 6 items $7.14, or just $1.19 a piece, which is phenomenal. Now, if you want to get 3 of the larger Arm & Hammer, all you have to do is tweak this deal just a little bit. So just pick up 1 of the Airwick Advanced Warmers, 1 of the Lysol air sanitizers instead of 2. Add a Febreze item, so like a spray, for $3.29, and then get 3 of those bigger detergents. If you have the double pack of Airwick instead of the Airwick Advanced, you can do that instead in this deal as well. You should still be at that $50 mark. But after your 2 digital coupons that you're going to use, we have $2 for the Febreze and $3 for the Lysol. You should pay out $47.15 at the register. You'll get back that $15 gift card. You'll get back $4 from Shopmium, $15 from Ibotta, and then $3.80 from Fetch Rewards, making your final cost for all 6 items $9.35, or $1.55 each. The next deal I wanted to grab is the Mercy chocolate. So these are $7.99 each. I wanted to get these for gifts. These are great gift items for like teachers and stuff, or if you make gift baskets like I do. These are a phenomenal item to add into a gift basket. So these are $7.99 each. So 2 of them will total us up to $15.98. I have a $2 digital coupon that we're going to use. So at the register, we'll pay out $13.98. We have $7 back on Swag Bucks, and we have $3.50 back on Checkout 51 on 2, so $1.75 each. And then I'm also going to submit for $2 back on Shopmium for the one that I am not using a digital coupon on in store. And so that should make my final cost for these 2 just 99 cents each, or $1.98 for both. Now, one deal I did not do, which is a great holiday item that I saw on Kayla Coupons on Instagram, is on the Royal Dance cookies. I have so many of these from Publix that I cannot bring another one of these in my house, but this is a good deal if you do not have any of these, especially the winter collection. It is so good. So these are a little pricey at Target, but what you want to do is price match the Walgreens price. So at Walgreens, these are $3, and Walgreens is a Target competitor on their list, so you can price match to the Walgreens price. So price match and make them $3, and then there's also a circle offer for 20% off. So after that, they will be $2.40 each. So the total, if you pick up 4 of them, will be $9.60. And then you can get back $12 from Swag Bucks on a total of 4, making them completely free, 4 of them, plus a $2.40 moneymaker. The next deal that's great for the holidays is the Scotch tape. So these are on sale this week, 2 for $8. Ibotta has $2.50 back on each. So that's a total back of $5, making these triple packs just $1.50 each, or 50 cents per roll of tape, which is really good. Now let's talk about the personal care deal. So this week, personal care products are spend $30, get back a $10 gift card. So I wanted to get started on my deal by picking up some of these Aveeno hand and foot masks. So these are a really good deal because they're included in the spend 30, get 10, but we have $2.50 back on Ibotta. This one does have a timer on it though, so you do want to move quick. The other item I added into my deal was the Jergens lotion, but that has already been pulled. It was already on my list when I was shopping, so I know it wasn't going to last long. So I want to give you an alternate scenario for something else that you can pick up. So a good item to replace that Jergens lotion is 2 of the Clean and Clear. So you can pick up the Clean and Clear, one of the cleansers for $5.99, and then another product for $7.69 to get you up to that $30 mark. So 5 of the masks plus 2 of the Clean and Clear would be $31.63. We have a $2.50 digital coupon for the Clean and Clear, and so at the register you would pay out $29.13, but then you'd get back the $10 Target gift card and you would get back $16.50 from Ibotta for the clean and clear because we have $4 back there, and we have a total of $12.50 back for the Aveeno, making your final cost for all 7 items just $2.63. Another deal I did not grab because I did not need was the Zarbee's. So these are $7.99, or they're priced a little bit cheaper in some stores, just depending on what you pick up. But $7.99, and we have $3 Circle coupons. So that brings it down to just $4.99 at the register. And then you can submit over to Ibotta for $4 in cash back, making your final cost just 99 cents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 separate transactions so that I can track for that Target Circle offer for 2 $50 deals. So I'm going to do my $50 household transaction in one transaction, and then I'm going to do everything else, the personal care deal and my holiday items, in a different transaction so that I can get back that $10 Target Circle offer. So everything went really well in my transactions. I split my order up into 2 different $50 transactions so that I could get back my $10 Target Circle bonus. So in my first transaction, I did the non-household deals. So I did everything else, the Mercy chocolate, the personal care deal, and the Scotch tape. After my coupons, I paid out $53.90 plus tax. I got back my $10 gift card for the personal care deal. I got back $23.50 from Ibotta, $7 from Swag Bucks, $3.50 from Checkout 51, and then I also got back $2 from Shopmium, making my final cost for that transaction $7.90. In my second transaction, I did my household deal. So after my coupons, I paid out $48.94. Then I got back my $15 gift card, $7 from Shopmium. And with Shopmium, when you use a coupon in store, it does take a long time because they want to verify that you still have an additional item that you did not use coupons for. So they process the Airwick fast, but the Lysol is still pending because I did use a coupon on one of those. And then I got back $16 from Ibotta, and I got back $3.80 from Fetch Rewards, making that household deal cost just $7.14. So my total for both transactions before my Target Circle bonus was $15.04. After I got back that $10 in my Circle earnings, everything was $5.04 for this very beautiful cart. So like I said, you guys, Target is on fire. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.